Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 affordable classic motorcycles for sale by private owners across the United States. Number 1. 1957 Harley-Davidson FLH Custom, $9,900, Fleetwood, Pennsylvania. This 1957 Harley-Davidson FLH Custom is a unique build that blends classic panhead-era styling with a modified drivetrain and vintage chopper elements. Finished in red and built on a rigid frame, it features a slab-side engine with shovel-head top end, along with an open-belt primary, foot clutch, and jockey shift for a traditional riding experience. The bike has been garage-kept and well-maintained by the current owner. As a titled special construction motorcycle, it offers a distinctive setup that stands apart from stock examples. The bike is reported to start and ride fine, making it a usable custom with strong visual presence. For riders seeking a classic Harley-inspired build with character, this FLH Custom presents a compelling option. Number 2. 1978 Honda CB550F, $2,600, Norfolk, Virginia. The 1978 Honda CB550F is a well-balanced vintage motorcycle known for its smooth inline-four engine and reliable performance. This example is offered with a clean title and is ready to ride, making it an accessible option for those looking to get into classic motorcycling. Its straightforward design and manageable size make it a popular choice among enthusiasts. Recent updates include a brand new 4x1 exhaust, Dyna S electronic ignition, fresh oil change, and new spark plugs. Retaining its stock airbox, it maintains a level of originality while benefiting from practical upgrades. Overall, this CB550F offers a solid mix of reliability, performance, and value. Number 3. 1970 Triumph Bonneville T140R, $7,800, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This 1970 Triumph Bonneville T140R is a highly desirable British twin, known for its strong performance and timeless styling. Finished in red and showing 18,370 miles, this example is described as all original and has never been taken apart, adding to its authenticity. It represents one of the final years of the classic Bonneville design. The bike is reported to start on the first kick and runs and rides great, reflecting proper care over the years. With a clean title in hand and strong originality, this T140R offers a well-preserved example for collectors or riders seeking a true vintage British experience. Number 4. 1971 Yamaha XS1, $2,000, Manchester, Michigan. The 1971 Yamaha XS1 is an early example of Yamaha's popular 650cc parallel twin, known for its strong performance and simple design. This bike has been modified with a kickstart-only setup and features rebuilt engine and transmission components with less than 50 miles since completion. It also includes Mikuni carburetors for improved performance. While it is missing some original components, such as the electric starter system and side panels, it presents as a functional and affordable vintage project or rider. With fresh mechanical work already completed, this XS1 offers a solid foundation for further customization or continued use. Number 5. 1978 BMW R80-7, $2,900, New Paltz, New York. The 1978 BMW R80-7 is a classic air-cooled boxer twin known for its durability and smooth riding characteristics. This example shows approximately 23,782 miles, though the odometer is intermittent and presents as a practical and inexpensive vintage rider. Finished in black, it reflects the understated styling typical of BMW motorcycles from this era. The bike runs well and has received recent fluid changes across the engine, transmission, and final drive systems. While it is not a showpiece and has minor issues such as an inoperative tachometer, it remains a solid and usable motorcycle. With a clean title in the seller's name, this R80-7 offers a straightforward entry into classic BMW ownership. Number 6. 1975 Suzuki RE5, $3,000, Phoenix, New York. The 1975 Suzuki RE5 is one of the most unique motorcycles ever produced, powered by a rotary engine and featuring the distinctive tin can instrument cluster designed by Giorgetto Giugiaro. This example has been in dry storage since the 1980s and remains 100% original, making it a rare survivor with strong collector appeal. The bike is complete and comes with a clean title and original service manual. While not currently in running condition, it shows healthy compression and presents as a solid foundation for restoration. With its rarity and unconventional engineering, the RE5 stands out as a true conversation piece and a compelling project for enthusiasts seeking something different. Number 7. 1966 BSA Thunderbolt 650, $3,800, Mount Laurel, New Jersey. This 1966 BSA Thunderbolt 650 has been transformed into a street tracker, combining classic British engineering with a more aggressive and minimalist custom style. Featuring a single Amal carburetor, custom exhaust, and kickstart-only setup, it delivers a raw and engaging riding experience. The lighting system is powered directly from the stator, keeping the design simple and functional. The bike has been ridden extensively and is reported to perform reliably, reflecting a well-sorted custom build. With its unique look and strong character, this Thunderbolt offers a fun and distinctive option for riders seeking something outside of stock vintage motorcycles. Number 8. 1977 Kawasaki KZ, $1,500, All Gray, Michigan. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ is a classic Japanese motorcycle known for its solid engineering and dependable performance. This example shows just 5,000 original miles and presents as a project bike that will require some work to return to the road. It has compression, which is a good starting point for restoration. The bike will need a battery, fuel system attention, and carburetor cleaning, along with general recommissioning. With its low mileage and simple mechanical design, this KZ offers a practical and affordable opportunity for someone looking to take on a vintage restoration project. Number 9. 1960 Sears Allstate 250, $1,400, LaPorte, Indiana. This 1960 Sears Allstate 250 is a unique vintage motorcycle built by Puch and sold through Sears catalogs, making it an interesting piece of motorcycle history. The bike appears mostly complete, retaining original features such as the tank badge and seat, along with visible patina that reflects its age. Although it is not currently running and does not include a title, it offers a solid base for restoration. For collectors interested in uncommon and historically significant machines, this Allstate 250 presents an affordable entry into a niche segment of vintage motorcycles. Number 10. 1978 Triumph T140E, $6,200, Tilson, New York. The 1978 Triumph T140E is a classic British twin that represents one of the final generations of the Bonneville lineage. This example stands out as a highly original time capsule, retaining its factory paint, engine, exhaust, and components, with only minor updates such as new tires and a rear master cylinder. With just 3,502 miles, it reflects careful preservation. Mechanically, the bike has been well maintained, including rebuilt braking systems and cleaned carburetors, and is reported to run and ride excellently with no leaks. With all systems functioning properly, this T140E offers a rare combination of originality, low mileage, and immediate usability. Number 11. 1975 Suzuki GT250, $2,850, Xenia, Ohio. The 1975 Suzuki GT250 is a classic two-stroke twin known for its smooth power delivery and simple, reliable design. Finished in gold and showing just 1,711 original miles, this example stands out as a low-mileage survivor. It features Suzuki's oil injection system, eliminating the need for pre-mixing and making it easy to operate. The bike runs great and starts easily, typically within the first few kicks, with all lights, gauges, and controls functioning as expected. With new tires and tubes already installed, this GT250 offers a ready-to-ride vintage experience with strong originality and usability. Number 12. 1964 Puch Sears Allstate 150 Hardtail, $2,000, Westchester, Pennsylvania. This 1964 Sears Allstate 150, built by Puch in Austria, is a unique small-displacement two-stroke with classic vintage styling. Finished in red, it remains complete and original, featuring a 3-speed transmission operated from the left-hand grip. The bike has been owned long-term and reflects consistent care over the years. Recent updates include a new clutch and petcock, and it is reported to run well. With a street-legal Pennsylvania antique title and readily available parts, this Allstate 150 offers both charm and practicality for collectors or casual riders. Number 13. 1981 Yamaha XS650, $1,200, Temperance, Michigan. The 1981 Yamaha XS650 is a popular parallel twin known for its durability and versatility. This example shows 22,000 original miles and presents as an affordable entry into vintage motorcycling. Its simple design and manageable performance make it especially appealing for newer riders or those looking for a project with potential. Recent updates include a reupholstered seat, new battery, and new tires, along with added accessories such as a tinted windscreen and phone holder. While not fully original, it offers a functional and approachable platform for riding or further customization. Number 14. 1968 Vespa Sprint Scooter, $3,900, Columbia Station, Ohio. The 1968 Vespa Sprint is a classic Italian scooter known for its elegant design and lightweight practicality. This example is finished in a copper tone with tan seating and matching details, giving it a distinctive vintage appearance. Showing just over 10,000 kilometers, it presents as a well-preserved barn find with strong visual appeal. While the engine turns freely, it has not been started and will require recommissioning before use. It also comes without keys, but includes a manual. For collectors or enthusiasts, this Vespa offers a stylish and authentic restoration opportunity. Number 15. 1966 Honda Dream, $800, Sharpsville, Pennsylvania. The 1966 Honda Dream is a classic lightweight motorcycle that reflects Honda's early reputation for reliability and user-friendly design. Finished in brown and showing 13,538 miles, this example runs but will require some basic work, including a battery and likely carburetor attention. It is being sold as is with a title in hand. Despite its current condition, the Dream remains a popular vintage model thanks to its simple mechanics and distinctive styling. At an accessible price point, this bike offers a solid starting point for a light restoration or entry-level project. Thanks for watching Moto Market Explorer. Like and subscribe for more budget-friendly classic motorcycle listings updated every day.